Arsenal's dream of reaching the UEFA Champions League final ended on Wednesday night after a 2-1 loss to Paris Saint-Germain, PSG. The match, which was played in France, ended with PSG winning 3-1 on aggregate over 2 legs. Fabien Ruiz scored PSG's first goal in the 27th minute after a mistake by Arsenal's Thomas Partey. Achraf Hakimi added the second goal in the 72nd minute, making it very hard for Arsenal to come back. Bukayo Saka gave Arsenal a little hope with a goal in the 76th minute, but it wasn't enough. Arsenal's goalkeeper David Raya did well to save a penalty earlier in the second half, but the Gunners still couldn't turn things around. PSG will now head to the Champions League final on May 31st at the Allianz Arena in Munich, Germany. This will be their second final in the club's history. With their last appearance in 2020, fans were disappointed with Arsenal's performance, especially after their strong win against Real Madrid in quarter-finals. Many took to social media to express their frustration. One fan asked, "Will anything good come out of this club?" Another fan asked, "Arsenal should forget this season. They should hope for next season as usual." Some fans also joked about the team's struggles. Even Thomas Partey got criticized. A fan said, "You said you lost the first leg because Partey wasn't playing. Now he's playing, and he gave the assist to PSG." PSG will now prepare for the big final, hoping to win their first ever UEFA Champions League title. We'll continue to supply you more sports news stories and exclusive videos. Kindly share your thoughts in the comment box section below, and keep watching NaijaNews TV.